Are you struggling to release your music on the labels you like? Are you tired of waiting months and not getting an answer at all? Hi, I'm Patrik Berg, and as a DJ, producer and label owner, I know how hard it is to get heard. After more than 1 decade in this industry, I can tell you I've been there many times. As a label owner, I now know both sides. So with this video, I give you my experiences in form of do's and don'ts to get you a little bit closer to your success. Number 1, research. First of all, make sure you analyze the sound of the label thoroughly. Listen carefully to the catalog and make sure your tracks fit the label in your own style. Do not try to sound like someone else. Nobody likes copycats. Don't think too much about subgenres or BPM. It's about the vibe. Number 2, the music. Produce and send 3 to 5 tracks exclusively for the label. Upload them in a private link on SoundCloud with the option to download. All tracks should be mastered or at least limited to 0.3 dB so I can play and test them on my tour. All tracks should be in WAV or 320 MP3 format. Don't send me single tracks. Don't send me unfinished projects. Don't send me WeTransfer links or any obscure file link, download, whatever. Don't send me tracks with plays on it or comments underneath. Keep in mind, every release costs the label time and money, and it's an investment in you as an artist. So exclusivity is a very important point. Number 3, get in contact. Introduce yourself briefly. Who are you? Where are you from? If you already released music, tell me on which label. If there is anything you think is important, tell me, but keep it short. Focus on the most important and on the essentials. Please, don't write me a long novel about your life or how you got into music. And the most important of all, don't forget the link. If you follow all these steps, you can at least be sure to get feedback from me. So me and my team looking forward for your music. Good luck, and you will find the demo mail below in the video description. And never forget, we are your way out. We are Exzess. We are your way out.